Today, we the members of science team are here to conduct assembly. So without wasting further of your time, let us move into a quick brainstorming session for which I would like to invite Pankaj sir to join me. Now I am going to put few questions in front of you. So if you know the answer of it, you have to come on the stage and give the answer. Please do not reply from your place. Okay? Now the first question is for the students of 6 to 8 only. The first question is, an electric vehicle manufacturing company owned by the world's richest man. Yes, come. See, you don't have to answer from there.
Tesla.
Yes, it's correct answer. Please stay here. The second question is, now anyone can answer from 6 to 12. India's own GPS system, IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. What is the practical name that it's famous as? You have to name it. Yes, then you can give it. Anyone? Navik. Then the same question, the next part is, can anyone tell me what does the NAVIC stands for? NAVIC. What does the navigation NAVIC stands for? Okay, the correct answer is navigation with Indian constellations. Now my third question is, a spacecraft manufacturer company founded in 2002 with one of the goal to colonize planet Mars, means to send the people to Mars and to make space travel economical and open to all.
SpaceX.
Yes, the right answer is SpaceX. Good. Now my next question number 4 is, an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogues. You have to come on the stage.
ChatGPT.
Correct. ChatGPT is the right answer. Now wait children. Now can you give me what does the GPT stands for? ChatGPT, what does the GPT stand for?
To give answer.
No, you have to give the full. GPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Thank you. Now my fifth question is, name the engine to be made mandatory by the Indian government for the cars and other vehicles. You can see the hint here. Name of the engine that soon is going to be mandatory for all car manufacturing vehicles in India. Just the name of the engine we want. Anyone? Okay, the answer is flex fuel engines. Then the same question, what is the fuel used in these engines? Fuel that will be used in these engines. A combination of gasoline and ethanol. So that will reduce the India's dependence on crude oil. Okay. Now my last question is, Indian organization that develops defense technologies and products that are required for Indian Armed Forces. Anyone? I repeat the question. Indian organization that develops defense technologies and provides technologies that are required for Indian Armed Forces.
DRDO.
Yes, correct. Very good. Now can anyone give me the full form of DRDO? What does it stand for? Okay. So now I would like Pankaj Jain sir for the further proceeding.